Hey everybody, welcome back to Mission Control for a quick tips video. In this video we're going to talk about using offset. You may have found yourself in a situation where you've already programmed your show and show up to the venue and some of the fixtures have been hung sideways. We can use offset to quickly fix the issue. Offset is applied to the channels just before final output. Offset can be used on any attribute, but in this video we will show used on pan and tilt. Using offset, you can open the patch view, then select the Attributes Behavior tab, select the offset in the context menu. Remember, our context menu is the 4 lines button on the Titan Go, Sapphire Touch, and D9s, and on the screen there where it's circled, just select the hotkeys B, C, and D on all other consoles. Then select the fixtures to be offset. Set the attribute to be offset by clicking on it, in this case pan, or just the individual cell if not doing all fixtures. Put in the percentage of the offset to turn your fixtures the 90 degrees. This may need to be a negative to turn the fixture in the correct direction. You can also use the wheels to put in the offset. How to calculate the percentage? Look up the degrees of pan your fixture can do. Many are 540 degrees. Divide this by 90. If 540, the answer would be 6. If it was 720, the answer would be 8. Then divide 100 by that result from above, and then round to the nearest hundredth. If for a 540 degree panning fixture, it would be 16.67%. For a 720 degree panning fixture, it would be 12.15%. So let's take a look at that. So here I am on version 16 on the Titan Go virtual interface. So we see here I've just got some fixtures patched here and some palettes with position and beam in them to make our zoom nice and tight. We can see that they all go to our different spots as we expect. And we'll just take them here and we'll just tilt them out a little bit to show what else we're going to do next. So I'll just take these two fixtures and we'll go to our wheels equal visualizer and we'll go to their orientation and put them, like they're sideways by 90 here, and we'll select these ones and do minus 90. So we see that now they are in the wrong position. So if I reselect all my fixtures and get them to locate and try to go to my different palettes, we can see that our 4 fixtures on the ends no longer go to the correct places. And we'll just tilt them out here to help show when we change them. So now if we go ahead and open up our patch view, we go ahead and hit View and then Patch. And we go to our Attribute Behavior tab and make sure that we're on Offset in our context menu. And then we can go ahead and select our first 2 fixtures. And we're going to make them a negative 16.67 and enter. And if we click off it and back on it, we can see to put it there, but it didn't make it negative that time. We'll fix that real quick there. And then we can see it fix those ones. And then we'll scroll down to our last 2 fixtures, and we'll do the same with them. The 16.67, enter. And now, if we fire our palettes, we can see that they all are corrected again. To remove offset, we can open up the patch view again, select the Attribute Behavior tab, then select Offset in the context menu again, then select the fixtures that have the offset removed, select the attribute to remove by clicking on it, and pan in this example, or just the individual cell if you're not doing all fixtures, and then click Remove it on Limit on soft key A, or press Patch, select the fixtures, then edit fixtures on the soft keys, then find Reset Behavior on the soft keys and click it. Note this will reset all offsets, limits, inverts, and freezes. So let's show that real quick here. So if I go ahead and reopen my patch view, and we're under Attribute Behavior, and we're still on offset. So I'm going to select these 2 and click Reset Offset. And if we click off it and back on it, we can see that it has done that. And if we go down to our scroller bottom ones here, we see it's still there. But we'll go ahead and close this, and we'll do it the other way for the last 2. We'll do Patch, Edit Fixtures, select just these 2 fixtures, and then Reset Behavior, and Confirm. And now we can see that those ones have been reset also. So if we go through all of our palettes, we can see that our 4 lights are back to being off since they're hung sideways. So that's using offset to fix fixtures when they may have been hung sideways. I hope you learned something. Join us on Facebook at Enable8 US. Join us here next time. Please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.
Wheel stop.
Roger, wheel stop, Discovery. Welcome back. A great ending to the new beginning.